I don't pay extra for Greek yogurt anymore. Now I make it at home with just 2 ingredients. Let's start by adding a liter of milk to a pot. Then we'll let it heat until it starts to boil. Once boiling, turn off heat and add another liter of room temperature milk. Mix well, then add 350 grams of plain yogurt. Stir, cover, and let it rest outside the fridge for 12 hours. Folks, it needs to be in a dark place. I used my pressure cooker to make it easier. After that time, just open it and our homemade yogurt is ready. To make Greek yogurt, we'll transfer it to another container. Line a strainer with a cloth and pour in the yogurt. After adding, just cover, refrigerate, and let it rest for 8 hours. After this time, check out how much whey our Greek yogurt has released. Then just drain the whey and our Greek yogurt will be ready to go. Look at that, folks. It's incredible. Check out the texture of this yogurt. This amount would cost a fortune at the store. You learn to make it with just 2 ingredients, quick and easy. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks a bunch.